Exiled former Cabinet Minister Sylvester Kaskweri has warned that President Emmerson Mnangagwa could face the threat of another military intervention if he fails to engage. Senior military figures and Liberation War veterans will remain influential in Zimbabwe's political landscape. Sabida Mashkubranyi Wachis Kaskweri predicts an anti-Mnangagwa coup. When subscribe or like on the bell icon. Team now Namubranyi Komchinsi. In a message posted on social media, Kaskweri urged Mnangagwa to open dialogue with army generals and veteran fighters, warning that ignoring them could allow dangerous character to destabilize his leadership. My, con- uh, my considered advice to Comrade Mnangagwa: please don't let dangerous character destroy you. Find the generals and the real ex-combatants and have a discussion with them, Kaskweri wrote. Kaskweri's warning carries symbolic weight because he was among senior ZANU-PF officials forced into exile during the November 2017 military intervention that removed long-time ruler Robert Mugabe from power after 37 years in office. The operation, codenamed Operation Restore Legacy, was led by the Zimbabwe Defense Forces Commander General Constantino Chiwenga and supported by senior commanders including Major General Sibusiso Moyo, who famously appeared on state television on 15 November 2017 announcing that military had moved to target criminals surrounding the president. Armored vehicles rode into Harare and Mugabe was placed under house arrest, triggering a week of intense political negotiations, mass street demonstrations, and parliamentary impeachment proceedings. Mugabe eventually resigned on 21 November 2017, paving the way for Mnangagwa, then recently dismissed as vice president, to return from brief exile in South Africa and assume the presidency. Kaskweri's comments come amid growing debate within ruling party circles, war veteran structures, and sections of the security establishment over Zimbabwe's political future and the balance of power within ZANU-PF. Toma developments brace Bob. Na comment section medo za fungira emote kulipa msabi chitwa ichi. So subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.